Welcome to our guide on deploying the Vodia PBX using the AWS Marketplace prepaid offer. Before getting started, make sure you meet all the prerequisites listed in the documentation linked in the description. Log into your AWS account. From the console, navigate to IAM. In the left-hand menu, select Roles. Then click Create Role. Under Use Case, choose EC2 and click Next. Now, search for and select the AWS Marketplace Get Entitlements Permission Policy. Click Next, give your role a recognizable name, and click Create Role. You'll now see your new role listed in the table. Next, go to the Vodia prepaid offer on AWS Marketplace and click View Purchase Options. The contract duration is 1 month. You can choose whether to enable auto-renew, then select the plan you want. Click Create Contract. Please note, this process may take a few minutes. To proceed, go to your Account menu, select your AWS Marketplace account. Then manage your software subscriptions. Find the Vodia prepaid offer and click on it. Then click Launch New Instance. Review the configuration summary and click Continue to launch through EC2. You'll now be redirected to the EC2 Launch Wizard. Fill in the necessary details, give your instance a name. Select an instance type. And choose or create a key pair for secure access. Under Advanced Details, select the IAM instance profile you created earlier. Click Launch Instance. Once your instance is running, go to the Instances tab to locate it. Select your instance and find the public IP4 address. Click the Open icon to launch it in a new browser tab. You may see a connection is not private warning. This is expected. You can safely continue. You'll be redirected to the Vodia login page. To log in, use Vodia as the username. For the password, copy the instance ID from your EC2 dashboard. You are now logged into your Vodia PBX. To check the system status, go to the General section under Status.